Good morning, people. It's a Sunday morning, and I'm gonna look about ackee and chicken. You can use chicken back as well. It's best for you to use the uncut chicken back because it has less fats and more flesh. So this is I am using the chicken breast that I cut into strips and then cut each strips into like two pieces depending on how big you want the chicken pieces to be. So I wash them with vinegar and water and then I put to drain. Now I am pat drying. I also gonna use the bone that is in the chicken breast as well. I did not throw away anything. So let me pat dry the chicken breast pieces, and then when I'm ready to season it, I will come back. So now I'm gonna season the chicken breast pieces with some spices. That is chicken flavor. This is garlic powder, and I'm using around half teaspoon of each spices. This is Badia Complete Seasoning, and I'm using some adobo all-purpose, some smoked paprika. You can use regular paprika. This is Lorry seasoning salt that I love dearly. And then I am gonna add around half teaspoon of salt. You can measure your ingredients. Trust me, I don't have to measure my ingredients and I always get it right. I don't know, maybe it's the Caribbean thing in me. So I'm gonna just use my hand and rub the spices and the salt all over the chicken breast pieces, giving it a nice coat right here. So this is lovely. So I'm gonna set this aside. I'm not gonna put it to marinate this morning because I don't have the time for that. Okay, so I am gonna use piece of ripe sweet pepper and piece of yellow sweet pepper. I guess they call it bell pepper overseas, but in Jamaica we say sweet pepper, right? And piece of onion and one green pepper. I'm using the green pepper because I don't want the food to have too much heat, or the chicken and ackee to have too much heat, and I'm using piece of garlic. So my husband do not like when tomato is in his ackee. He said that it takes away the taste, because you know everybody taste is different, right? And he does not like sweet pepper either, but he can always have it his way, right? I want some colors, so I am using sweet peppers. He will just have to pick them out, and for that reason, if you notice, I cut them big so that he can pick them out. But I want some colors in the food, man. So this is the green pepper. This has more flavor. Well, green peppers have more flavors than ripe pepper. Ripe peppers have more heat than green peppers. So if you want heat, use ripe pepper. I don't want too much of a heat, so I'm using the green peppers. So this is the onion, and I'm gonna use the other half of the onion today. So I like to put cut onion in my fridge. Yes, so I'm just gonna set this aside and I'm gonna fry the chicken breast now. The ackee, I should mention, the ackee is already cooked. But I did not video this because if you're gonna follow this recipe, probably you are gonna use the tin ackee because the fresh ackees aren't available in your country, but because I'm in Jamaica, so I can get fresh ackees. Yes, so I already boiled the ackee in a bit of salt. Yes, so my husband do not like when the ackees are boiled until they are really soft. These are cheese ackee, by the way, so they kind of retain their forms after they are cooked. So yes, so I'm gonna put this aside. So I put a skillet on medium heat, that is medium heat, right? And I'm using a small burner. So I'm gonna pour enough oil to fry the chicken. Basically, I pour enough oil to cover the bottom of the skillet. And I put it on medium, but I'm gonna put it between medium and low. I'm talking about the heat because I do not want the oil to become dirty, right? So I don't want high flames. So the oil is hot, so I'm gonna fry the chicken pieces. And I believe my husband gonna fry the dumplings. I'm gonna have this with fried dumplings and fried plantain. But I'm not gonna eat any. I have roasted fish that I roasted yesterday. That recipe will be coming up. Or I roast the fish on the stove top. Yes, that recipe will be coming up shortly. I have roasted fish that I'm gonna reheat because I am not gonna eat any of this ackee chicken because I do not eat ackee. Yes, man, you might be wondering why I do not eat ackee because whenever time I eat ackee, I have tummy ache. Bad tummy aches. So I just don't eat ackee. Okay, so you have to ensure that the chicken is fried properly. So you want to get rid of the bloody water. So that's why I'm saying it's best to fry the chicken on low heat. So that will give it time to cook while it is frying. And that is one of the reasons why I rather to use the breast as well, because it takes a shorter time to cook than if you actually use a lot of bones. because you have to ensure that the chicken is cooked properly. So I am just turning them again. Another thing is, after the chicken breast have been fried, I am gonna remove them from the skillet, and then I am gonna put them on each one of them on a cutting board, and I'm gonna use a knife and cut them into halves because they're a bit too big, just the same, but I don't like to fry them when they are too small, so I rather to do it like this. So fry the chicken breast until it looks like this. You know, you keep turning them like every 5 minutes to ensure that it is fried properly and no bloody water is running from the chicken breast, right? So now I'm going to remove them from the skillet. And let this one. Me check earlier when I go wash something outside, which is like around half hour ago. So as you can see, the oil is not dirty, right? You have to ensure that the oil is not dirty. That's why I said that you should fry the chicken breast on very low heat. So now I am gonna saute the herbs and spices. I'm gonna saute it until they are translucent. Okay, so the oil was a bit too much, so I removed some of the oil. Yeah, it was a bit too much. So I just pour off some, right? So I'm gonna allow this to saute right now. So now that the seasoning or fresh herbs is cooked, because you have to ensure that they are cooked, right? So now I'm gonna add the chicken breast to the pot. And I'm gonna cover it a bit to let it kind of simmer on low heat. Remember that the heat should be on low. Okay, so now I'm gonna add it. To the ackee, I am gonna sprinkle some black pepper, around 1/8 teaspoon. So I'm going to cover it. And let it simmer for a bit. So this is it. Please excuse the background noise. It's my washing machine, right? I am doing some washing. So you see I'm multitasking in this on the morning. So this is it, my ackee and chicken. This is a popular dish in Jamaica. However, it is not so popular on the internet. I don't know why. Now I am gonna fry some plantain, and then my husband will be doing fried dumpling, and they are gonna have that for breakfast, and I'm gonna have roasted fish and fried dumpling for breakfast. So enjoy this recipe. Remember to check out my website for this recipe and more.